What is up, y'all? So in today's video, as you can tell from the title, we're going to be taking the vet to go get the roof wrapped. Well, not necessarily the roof, just the halo. I'll show you guys the outside of the car. It's just this part here from the outside. Since we got the transparent roof, it's already black outside, so I don't need to get that part wrapped. Just the halo. We're gonna make it so that it gets all blacked out, and they're going to try to wrap the emblems on the driver's side and the passenger side of the fenders, so just on the front end, so everything should be blacked out hopefully. But yeah, we're gonna go head out to Elite Audio and Tint. They're the ones who put the tint on the vet, on the Nismo, and they've also done some work on the Shelby that I used to have. Great people. Yeah, let's go ahead and head out. Alright, y'all, so we just pulled up. Show y'all a quick last look before it gets wrapped. This is what I was saying. I'm trying to get wrapped right now. They're gonna try it. They said it might be kind of hard because of how it's placed and everything, but this right here, that's gonna get wrapped. All this is gonna be blacked out, and it should look cool, but we'll just see when it's done. But let me show you a quick walk around before we turn in the keys. And then there's my Uber, my wife's whip. But yeah, last look. And it rained last night, so the car got super dirty, as you can tell, so I might have to wash it probably when we pick it up. All right, we're dipping. And now we're in the Nismo. My girl's about to do the fattest pull known to man. Hecka crazy, babe.
6.5 hours later.
Alright, y'all, so we already picked up the car. It's already wrapped. I'll show you guys in a little bit. Today's video is not going to be that long. It's really just the wrap. As you guys saw, the car was super dirty, but the guys out at Elite Audio and Tint were super cool, and they washed it for me. So now it's all nice and shiny. So right now when I picked it up, it looked great with the new wrap and with it being clean. And I really like the look. It definitely is giving what I wanted it to give. But now that I got it wrapped, if I do end up like wanting to paint it in the future, I at least know now that I will, you know, commit to the look, because I really do like how it looks. The only thing is now I need to get black wheels, which is definitely on the list of mods I want done, but your boy gotta stack up some money first. And I don't know if you guys can see, but my wife is in her Nismo right in front of me, or was right in front of me. Now she switched lanes. But seeing these two whenever like we're out, like parked next to each other, they look so clean. We're gonna pass her. But yeah, these two cars are so different. I was mentioning it in the last video I made, and I haven't driven the Vet in a bit, honestly. I've just been driving the Civic that we have, or the Nismo. I haven't really been driving this, so getting in it today was pretty cool, because when I'm not driving stick every day, it's nice out of convenience, but this thing is really fun to drive. Trying to gap me. That thing looks so nice rolling. That's the only thing I haven't done in this car. I need to do it, honestly. I haven't had somebody else drive it, at least when I'm not in the car. I need somebody to drive it so I can see how this thing looks rolling and how it sounds from the outside, actually like driving versus just revving it. because I've never done it with this car, at least. And I'm gonna have to do it. I'll probably have to have one of the boys do it, because my girl don't really know how to drive a stick like that, at least that well. But another day, not today, because today I'm trying to go home. Alright y'all, so here is the vet with the wrap on. I think it makes it look so sleek up top. Now it just looks like one whole piece, and it's just murdered out. And the emblems, I'll show you guys right now. Let me just do a quick walk around so you guys can see how it looks. I think it looks great. All the black accents are starting to come together. This is just the only thing that's off. So once I get a clean set of black wheels, then everything will be cool. Yeah, look, these are the emblems. I'll go around the other side so you guys can see better. I'm blocking the sun. So because the letters for Grand Sport are like flush with this, they're like indented, you can still see the letters, but it just doesn't go in. But I don't mind it, it looks great. One thing that I didn't initially ask for it to be tinted was these pillars here, but they ended up doing it and no extra charge. And I think it like flows better, because these were like this kind of faded. This is worse. I need to actually fix this, but now that it's like glossy with the top in here, I don't know, I think it looks better, and it's nice. It's a nice little, you know, detail that they added that I hadn't even, you know, planned to do. But this is it. Let me know what y'all think. If you guys think it looks nicer now that it has the wrap, go ahead and drop a comment. Do me a huge favor and drop a like on this video. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. There's definitely going to be more content on this one, as well as our Nismo over there. But yeah, go ahead, drop a comment, let me know what you guys think. But that's going to be it for today's video. So appreciate you guys for tuning in and watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.